Day 3.
Hi guys, so we're in the bus. We're in the Uber going to Ninang Marian's hotel.
Yan o, nakita na namin ang pupuntahan namin.
Nakita ko agad si Bating.
Welcome to London. Welcome to Portugal pala.
Hi, Be!
Have you guys made it safe?
Nakarating din kami na
Kalalabas nyo lang?
sabi ko na ayan lang pala tulugan namin.
Kaya nga, oo.
Bintanan niya eh.
Dito kami kumain. Yan dyan ka.
Sarap na palang kainan dito.
Nakita mo ba yung post ko?
Doon nga lang ako tumingin.
Kumusta naman ating biyahe dyan?
Oh my
wait mo na,
God!
wait. Ay, may mic na. Kumusta yung biyahe?
Pero maganda ang Madira, ha? Maganda nga. Ang ganda ng
Nakalabas kayo? Nakalabas kayo?
Hindi, lumabas lang ng konti.
Ng airport.
Paglabas ng pinto, ayan ang dagat sa tapat.
Talaga ba?
Taga doon si
Ay,
Tony, di kita
sino?
pupunta si
Ah, si Tony.
At saka yung nasa aeroplano ko, di ba yung pababa na, alam mo yung mga hotel na ang lalaki ng swimming pool, tapos tabi ng dagat.
naiinitan ako, alam niyo man takot ako sa inyo.
Grabe naman siya!
I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To all my lonely nights, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say yeah.
Alright guys! Start na ang ating vlog dyan. So saan ating cancel lang ating
Fatima.
ang ating Fatima. Saan tayo ngayon? Saan tayo
We're
ngayon?
going to Cascais.
Ano yung Cascais?
We're taking a train, going there, go straight, that's it.
Sa wakas makakapag-train na din kami. Gusto din ma-experience ni Casey yun eh. Hello Casey! Ang ganda naman ng yung palda.
Thank you ka talaga sa Nina.
Nag-say thank you ka sa Ninang.
Kahit saan kami mapunta.
Ha? Ang ganda ng weather guys.
Kuya, ma!
Hey! Hello. Hello. We're back. We're back
again, yeah?
We're back. Hello. Hello.
How are you guys?
Oh,
Come back later, yeah?
yeah.
Is a waiter.
First. See, my friend. My friend. Hello. Hello, my friend. Yes. Nice to see you too.
Keep this card, sir.
Yeah. Oh, card now. Okay. Doon kami kumain. Best friend namin yun.
Kilala na. That's when
Oh yes, si Mutik. Mutik ba yun? Mutik. Mutik. Mukit. Anong pangalan nun? Mukit. Mukit. Hello guys, papakita ko sa inyo si Lone Ranger. Charan! Alam nyo guys, kung sa London, ito ang Piccadilly Circus. Ang dami dito mga restaurant, seafoods, steak, Portuguese, Italian, cuisine. Yan o. Summer na summer, ang mga Londoners o. Summer na summer. Ayan o, meron pa tayo Miss Universe. Kita nyo naman yan o. Kulot na kulot.
tan na tan.
Yan o.
Yan talaga.
Oh, may bago tayo dito. Dalawang binata.
Pugito.
Yuan. Hello, mami. And daddy. Yan. Bilisan nyo kasi ang lakad. Ang bilis si Kuya Joe maglakad. Kuya Joe, hintayin nyo naman kami.
Hi guys, it's day 3 now, and now we're going to the train station. And as you can see, it's really sunny, really good weather. We're just Mommy told me that we're gonna go to a train station, like the ones on the track. We're gonna go on the road.
First time mo bunso ka na makakasakay sa train.
Yeah,
Kuya.
in Portugal.
Sasakay tayo ng train.
Train or tram?
Train.
Train.
Parang ko tram.
Oh no, we're gonna go on the road.
Ano kaya sa palagay nyo? Underground dito,
Train.
katulad sa atin, sa London? Ano sa palagay nyo?
Maliit lang yung train dito. Parang sa Croydon or sa Blackpool.
Yeah.
Ganda ng weather, no?
Yeah. So guys, over here we're just walking and we just found a pink, like a golf cart thing.
Tuk-tuk.
No, that's not a tuk-tuk, that's a golf cart.
Nasaan?
Wait, it's a golf
pakita
cart.
natin. Yun, oh.
Yeah?
Yun, oh. Kulay pink. Favorite mo, yun, oh.
No. Oh, it looks so nice. And Mommy's over there because she said it's too hot.
Mami, nakuha. Tingnan mo.
But did they take anything? Huh? Guys.
Medyo intense ang nangyari. Sino ba ang biktima? Talagang mahirap.
Kung sabi kasi niya na I saw you, kaya niya hinagis na gano'n nung isa. Tapos kunwari,
Nakita mo nung hinagis ko
oo, yung kasama niyang dalawa, ginanon.
Meron din pala dito
Tapos,
mandurukot.
Yun siya ang dumampot. Pagdampot niya, ang sabi niya, eto ba yung iyo? Kahit may train na dumadaan, tumawid siya talaga. Di ba?
Oo.
Tapos nung tumigil, tsaka niya punta, binalik niya kay
Alam nyo,
salamin sa mata.
ang nag-experience namin dito sa Portugal, ayun, nadukutan si Melay. Nakuha niya yung maliit na wallet niya na mga euros. Tapos, nung makuha sa kanya, tumawid, pumunta kay Kuya Joe. Hanggang sa nakita ni Melay na dinudukutan din si Kuya Joe. Mabuti na lang at iwahiwalay kami. Ay. Kaya guys, mag-iingat kayo pag pumunta kayo ng Portugal. Meron din pala ditong mandurukot.
So guys, we just got out of the train station and our plan is that we're gonna go to the seaside.
Seaside.
And we're gonna go to the beach. Yep, to look at the sunset. And we are just waiting here, but we're gonna just like go on a boat. Really excited. What are you gonna do at the
Here. No, we're just
Ano
gonna
gi-
see the water.
Magboboat tayo.
What?
Hindi, ang boat natin is,
we're asking you, what are you gonna do?
Here.
Yeah, no, at the beach.
The beach. We're just gonna look.
She's gonna look.
Si Kuya.
Yeah, she's gonna look. What are you gonna do at the seaside?
Wala,
Hindi mo alam.
wala naman kaming
Bro, are you not gonna?
Si Wani meron.
He's gonna go swimming.
Siya lang.
Nasaan tayo ngayon? Pour awak muna. Hanap-hanap ng pagkain. Anong basa doon? Pastel di?
Pastel de
De Bacalhau. Very nice. Kalimutan ko yung sombrero ko. Kabayan! Kabayan! Madam, ligo na.
Alam mo sa atin sa
Ba't mahangin,
Sa atin sa London, kahit na summertime.
Oh, yung mga ganyan.
So we're near the seaside and we're about to eat now.
Yeah. What are we eating?
I don't know, but we're in this place called, I don't know what it's called. Is it
MAR. You
It
could.
stands MAR, which stands for My Atlantic Restaurant.
Yeah, you can see that. In the menu case, what looks nice? What
I can't
Which one do
really
you
read
want?
it. Oh, maybe this.
the translation? What's that?
The beef steak with fries and fried egg.
What's that? I'm not facing the right one.
This one.
Beef steak with the how much is that? 14.50. 14 euros and 50 cents.
Oh.
How are you feeling so far, Kate?
I'm feeling good
You're feeling good? Bakit feeling good?
because we are going to the beach and we are going to go on the boat later. And when we said that we're going to watch the sunset while we're on the boat.
You give me 2 minutes, I have
So I'm
to
hungry. We can even eat you, you know.
Okay, I don't beg no one. You want to come in, I have quality for you. 2 minutes, wait. Okay, 1 minute. Okay.
Etong kakainin ko to.
Alin ko yun sa'yo? Yung may egg?
itlog.
Yun yung kahapon pa break.
3 araw na ako.
Ito lang.
4 na araw na ako hindi
Ito Kuya
nakakain
Joe,
itlog
ayan
dito.
yung kinain natin kagabi. Ito.
Yes.
Di ba?
Arroz.
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 Wow. And
Sex on the beach.
Sex on the beach.
For who?
For the single boy.
Coca-Cola.
To my lovely nana.
Yes.
Wow, ang ganda ng baso na
Fanta.
Ching. Yes. Woo! Portuguese.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Ay, merosca.
Sarap. You know? Cheers. Labang kiss dyan. You know? Nice. Oh, yummy. Ano order nyo? Ano yung Yuban?
Beef burger.
Beef burger. Kuya, ano sa'yo?
Carbonara.
Carbonara. Kaya Ate Chloe. Ano yan Ate Chloe?
Spaghetti with prawn.
Spaghetti with prawn.
So guys, we just finished our dinner and now lunch.
Dinner na agad. Mag-dinner pa tayo mamaya.
And now we are going back to Lisbon. I think that's what Mummy said. We're gonna go back on the train, going back to Lisbon, and she said we're gonna walk around in Lisbon for a bit until 8 o'clock because we're gonna go on a sunset cruise. We're gonna watch the sunset.
Let's go. We're going home. Wakey. Pagod ka na?
Guys, now we were at the beach. It's not really a beach, but yeah, it's just a beach. And we are just walking around because I don't know what time it is, but we are going to go to the boat soon. And you can hear some music, and it's coming from a restaurant. Yeah. Looks so nice. You can see some boats over there as well.
Zoom natin.
It's,
Oh, ayun o.
yeah. You guys can see that there's one that says CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo at the corner, at the back over there. Yeah, that one. Yeah, and that chicken looks like Nando's.
Nando's.
Nando's. I think Nando's is from
Sorry.
there. Yeah.
Yan o, Espanya.
Oh yeah, and you can see there's a Portugal flag on there as well.
Ay, saan?
And the last time we've been here, we saw a rat hiding, but we saw
Walang
it
rat
was
ngayon.
long. Now it's not here anymore. It looks very nice, and I think over there you can see it's like Jesus with a Portugal flag. I think that's what it is. You guys want to see? Let's go over there. Come, guys.
Ah, sila pala ang nagagawa.
Yeah, and you can see that. I think that might be Jesus over there. I think that's Jesus. Look. It's over there.
Alin? Ay, nakakita ko yun. Yung
Look, you can see this country, right? Look.
Parang iba yun, England.
Oh yeah, it says England. That one says England.
Yeah.
Look, you can see
England.
England sponsored. Yeah. So guys, we are here where we get our cruises, and over here you can see beaches and dolphin watching. You can just watch like the dolphins, like dolphin tours, and I want to watch it but we can't. Now we are moving outside, and I think we might be waiting for our cruise. And yeah.
Tingnan mo bunso ang view naman.
Yeah, the view.
Ganda.
Look at the boats. Yeah, they're all outside.
Ayan sila.
And yeah, I don't know what time we're having it, but yeah.
Yan guys. Magkukrus na ang mga Londoners. Anong oras tayo? Anong oras ang schedule natin?
Lahat tayo.
May anong oras ang schedule ang oras?
8 o'clock.
Bad na yung ano?
Ha? Alin?
8 o'clock. 8:59 pa ang baba ngayon, mahal.
So ilang oras tayo dyan?
Mga 12 hours tayo today. Yes,
Pabalik na po tayo
1
sa
hour
Madeira
40 minutes, I think.
Pag 12 hours ano?
para makasakay na uli ng plane. Napupunta sila, Kuya Jo? Iihi po.
Started. Oh, now you disconnected it. Well done.
So guys, now we are boarding our cruise, and we're on it right now. And then I think
We're not on it right now.
No, but
we're
we
walking
are
to
on
it.
the platform.
Yeah.
And now I think we should. We're going on the top. And yeah, I'm really excited.
Yeah, you go in front, please.
Okay. We're over the water. Oh my gosh. Now we're on. Let's go. Let's find a seat. So guys, now we're at the boat cruise, and I think we're going to be moving very shortly. And what do you think about it?
I'm excited. Yesterday we're on a yellow bus tour. Now we're on a yellow boat tour.
Yeah. And I think this is a sunset cruise, right?
Yeah, it is a sunset
Cruise, and we're gonna see the sunset.
Yeah,
while
and we're gonna show you some of the tourist spots in Lisbon by boat.
Honey,
Uwian na, uwian na.
Ah, dali, tabi-tabi na, bilis.
Saan tayo?
Dito na. Masag Tito Joe, he's very warm.
Thank you, Captain. Ay, Captain din.
Eh kasi naman yung mga nasa. Kakain na tayo.
Pwede, pwede.
Beshi, kakain na tayo.
Ilawa na mga kinain. At kakain na ulit. Oh, bossing, dahan-dahan na lakad ha, tuhor.
Kakain.
Ay, matarik. Pero matarik nga. Thank you, sir.
Dito, dito. Pakutang gusto dito.
Obrigado.
Ayan, yan. Kaya ka, maigi pa pala mo.
Oh, mga beshi, bye muna tayo sa ating vlog. Mga beshi, bye muna tayo sa ating vlog.
Adios patria adorada, reón de sol querida, perla del mar oriente, nuestro perdido Eden. A darte boy alegre, la triste musibida.
Nagkumot na.
So guys, we just finished our tour boat. We saw the sunset and it was so nice. How you guys feel about it?
Yeah, don't forget to click the button, press like, please.
Aga naman.
But yeah guys, we enjoyed so much and yeah, there's nothing much else to say. You wanna do the outro? So
Nice being with you in Lisbon. Thank you.
thank you.
Kain na na.
Yeah, kain na na. But anyway, we're gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell whenever you want to be notified to our next videos. Peace out. Paalam.